So this application is a holistic package where everything is included and nobody has to go anywhere for further session. Because meditation is there, storytelling is there, biography is there, Kabira's Stotras are there, then Garb Samvad is there. So this Garb Sanskar app is very helpful for all the mothers, whether working, non-working. Hello all, myself Devanshi Sheth. I am 9th month pregnant and basically I am a senior consultant in an MNC company. So I came to know that I am pregnant at 2nd month. So I started discussing with my husband and my mom, who is a source of inspiration for me to do all this spiritual level thing. So I was knowing that I would be working till last month, and I won't be able to attend physical Garb Sanskar. So I came to know from one of the workshops that this kind of application is there, and every day I was getting reminder. It is just like a smart app and it is very updated. So whenever, if you know that if the application knows that you log in at 10 o'clock and by 10:30 or 11 you have not logged on, so you will get a very sweet notification. Hi mama, I'm missing you when we are doing Garb Sanskar activities. So it motivates you. And overall, I have become disciplined because, in pregnancy, you not only have to take care of your mental level, but about your baby also. So this application has made me disciplined that at night, 12 o'clock also, if my activities are left, I have to complete it. If my yoga is not done, so then there is, pictorial diagram of various pranayam. So whenever I am sitting anywhere, I do Anulom Vilom, I do various pranayam. So this application is a holistic package where everything is included and nobody has to go anywhere for further session. Because meditation is there, storytelling is there, biography is there, then Kabira's Stotras are there, then Garb Samvad is there, where I always constantly tell my baby, you have to come at right time, from right process, in a right way, safely. So all these things are imbibed. And overall in my other areas also, I am doing this kind of samvad with myself, which makes me more confident and happy. So during my entire journey, Garb Sanskar application has been very useful to me because my workplace is 1 hour away from the Ahmedabad. So I every day commute to Gandhinagar. So the overall application is amazing because working mothers like me who cannot go to physical workshop can attend this kind of Garb Sanskar application anywhere, from home, from cab, from workplace. So Majestic Garb Sanskar app has been more cool. It is like for a new age mom, where we don't want to forget our old grandma tales and we want to make out time, but because of the busy work schedule, we were not able to it. So this Garb Sanskar app is very helpful for all the mothers, whether working, non-working. So I am very much happy with this application and I would recommend to my friends who are, in the phase of conceiving.
गर्भ संस्कार गुरु, सालों से चल रही हमारी परंपरा और वैदिक विज्ञान का आधुनिक रूपांतरण।